You all might have seen these small irritating bugs all around your kitchen. They are called fruit flies. Normally they come with you when you bring fruits and veggies from the grocery store, and once they are in your house, they will grow in multiples, and that's very frustrating. In this video, we are going to work on a project which is going to give you 100% result. So let's get started. Welcome to our channel, Citrus Home and Garden. This project is going to take maximum 5 minutes. What you need for the project is apple cider vinegar, dishwashing liquid, and an empty water bottle. So the first step, you need to cut the water bottle and make it cylindrical shape. Next step, we are going to take apple cider vinegar. I am using this Bragg's brand. Shake it well, pour it in a bowl. Make sure this bowl is microwave compatible. The apple cider vinegar smell is really strong. You can see my dog sniffing around. Next step, add a few drops of dishwashing liquid into the apple cider vinegar. Next, microwave this mixture for 20 seconds. Once done, pour it into the bottle. Next, you need plastic food wrap paper, which you're going to use to cover the bottle. Once wrapped, you need to poke few holes into the plastic paper, and don't make them too big, otherwise those bugs will come out. Keep this bottle on the kitchen countertop and make sure there are no food items, otherwise these bugs will get distracted and won't come into the bottle. And this is the result next morning. You can see many bugs trapped into the bottle, and if you lift the bottle, you will see hundreds of them dead in the apple cider vinegar. It is a little disgusting, but I don't have any other option to show you the result. And that's pretty much it. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.